Welcome! Today, we're diving into a handy feature on Discord that many users may overlook. Searching for messages in a group on PC, especially after the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your Discord app. If you're not logged in yet, enter your credentials, and you'll be all set to go. Now, once you're in the app, navigate to the group where you want to search for a specific message. Whether it's a friend group, a gaming community, or a study channel, just click on it from your server list. Next, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a search bar. This is where the magic happens. Click on the search bar to start typing. Now, here's the key step. Write down the message you're searching for. It could be a keyword, a phrase, or even a specific term that someone mentioned in the past. As you type, Discord will instantly filter through the group's chat history, making it super easy to find exactly what you're looking for. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can quickly retrieve any message in your Discord group. So the next time you're searching for that elusive media or important message, remember these simple steps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.